Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today?
900 feet,
you all
turn left onto Excelsior Drive.
Please pardon this GPS. Okay, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing good and okay wherever you are. Yeah, so if you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Queen. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in the USA, Maryland to be precise.
Turn left
My
onto
location
Excelsior Drive, then turn right.
is below this video. Okay, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking in, and I hope you do subscribe and be a part of my family. And for my old subscribers, old and returning subscribers, and also my new subscribers, I thank you all for
then
supporting
right
me. Thank you
Northview
all for the
Drive.
love. Okay, my God will richly bless you. Amen. So guys, without talking too much, today we are going to
turn right onto
Goat
Northview
Farm in Pennsylvania. It's about 2 hours drive thereabouts. So I just want to carry you guys along and just to show you guys how they slaughter goats
use the second
here.
lane from left.
Yeah, we also have
Road.
Goat Farm here that you can go get your complete goat and slaughter it, okay, instead of buying the ones that they already have in the freezer that doesn't have taste anymore. So that is what we do from time to time. So today we are doing it, and I thought I should just take you guys along. Okay, so if you really want to know how they slaughter goats, or how the goat farm looks like, just keep watching. Okay, for I'm going to show you guys every clip in this video. All right, thank you and keep watching. I'll catch up with you guys soon. All right, bye. Yeah, so guys, we just got here. Yeah. Bad news, guys. Like I'm not happy at all. What I'm seeing right now, I just saw a sign where they said no photos or videos. Failure to comply will result in being asked to leave. Like seriously, so I'm not gonna get any clip, but that's okay, guys. Today is not, this vlog is not gonna be a waste. Okay, I'm not gonna waste my intro. Of course I'm gonna see what I can do to get 1 or 2 clips.
Take video, go outside.
So we are finally home. Yeah, hubby managed to get 1 or 2 clips for you guys. I'm sure yeah, you guys have seen it before this one. Yes, so I'll just go ahead and show you guys the mates. So guys, yeah, so guys, this is the mates from a whole goat. Yeah, we got this goat for $400. I think it's really worth it, because if you calculate the money you spend on goat meat every now and then, going to the African store to get meat, and which is really expensive, guys. Little goat meat for, for just an expensive $1, and you find out that in less than 2 months you've spent more than $400. And here you have a whole goat for just $400, guys. I think it's really worth it, and it saves time and money. I don't know, but that's what I think. Yeah, you can go ahead and leave your thoughts in the comments section. So this, I have this, the meat, and then over here I have, this is the head, which is the ishiewu. Yeah, if you're from Nigeria, you will understand what I mean. Yeah, this is the goat head for the, you know, the all the ngwongwo and all that. If you are from Nigeria, like I said, you would understand what I mean. And this one is the intestine. This is mainly for pepper soup, I think so. Yeah, so I want to thank those of you who watched up until this time. Thank you so much. And please, if you are new here and you have not subscribed, just do me a favor by subscribing, okay? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? Be a part of this family. You would not regret it, all right? For this family is lovable, okay? Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna leave you to enjoy the rest of the clip, and I will catch up with you guys hopefully in my next video, okay? So let me just go ahead and leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the clip.